In this tutorial, we'll go over how to use Google MyMaps to create map figures. You'll know how to find Google MyMaps and then how to use the MyMaps platform, which can be utilized by teachers and students to create interactive map projects with locations, images, and information included. This could be applicable for geography, social studies, natural sciences, and beyond. This tutorial will therefore teach you how to create, share, and edit maps. So here is what the Google MyMaps platform looks like, and I'll give you an example of a map that I've already created and then show you a new one. So all you need to do to access it in Google is search up MyMaps. And then when you search this up in the search bar, it should be the first link that shows up. So right here, you click on that and then it will take you to your dashboard. So here's the map I've already created as an example. So the interactive map includes the top 5 highest peaks in Alaska. What I've done is put the peak, so this is Denali, and it shows you a picture of it and how high it is. So I have this for all the mountains, and you can take a look. It tells you how high it is with a picture. If you ever want to edit this, all you do is click on the point that you want to edit, press the edit button, and then you can add more photos right here, edit the text, and then when you're done, press save. If you want to add another image, you can also go here, or if you want to add directions, you press on this button. And then this just changes the style of this. So for instance, let's do green, what we want. We'll just keep it this location button. So now as you see, the icon has changed to green. So if we want to create a new map, let's go back to My Maps and just go new map. And now this is my new map, and I will title it something, example map, put a description. So the first layer I want to do is add some points to Alaska. Let's add Creamer's Field Migratory Waterfowl Refuge. So now we have Creamer's Field right here. And we can add that to the map, and once we've added it, now we can add a photo. So let's add a photo, and we'll just Google image search. And now some pictures of Creamer's Field show up, so we can add a couple. So let's choose that one first. And then we'll add another one, that one. So you can add these images to your map and then put a description. And then press save. And you can change the icon too by going to style and then changing the icon. So let's say this is recreation for me. So I'll put hiking. And now I want to show another location. So let's add another location. So now the Student Recreation Center pops up, and we'll add that to the map, edit the icon, and then I'll change the color to pink. And now let's zoom out and see what the map looks like so far. So this is our map. Now I want to add directions between here and here. So first I'll show you a couple things we can do. We can draw lines. Just add a line from here to here, a straight line. Double click if you want that to stay, and then label the line. If you want to get rid of the line, press on it and press delete. You can also create a measurement, so go from here to here, double click, and just measure if you want. So now let's add the driving route. Add driving route. This will be point A, and that's point B. So now it's created the fastest driving route possible. So there we go. That's some of the functions that you can do. And then if you ever want to print out the map, you just go print map, print, and it will make a PDF version of it that you can print out or send to other people. Or you can share it. So here's a link to share with collaborators, or you can add email addresses to people so they can see the email or edit it. So can view or can edit. You can preview what the map will look like to other people on the online interactive version. And now it has my description and the photo that I put. You can select and look through there. So Field or SRC, and I didn't leave any comments or details, but it has the number and the address. So Google Maps is a really good way, or MyMaps is a really good way to create this interactive map that individuals can use that you share with. So that is how you look at that. This is what the printed version would look like. And then if you want to zoom in on the printed version, of course you have to make sure you're actually zoomed in on the map. So let's zoom in here and then go print. And now it's a zoomed in version of the printed map. So that is how we use Google My Maps.